Hi Phil, been doing a bit of work on that step process we discussed. So here's the idea. The code creates all of this bit here, and there's the magic about putting the correct text in at the correct step and stuff isn't done yet. But the user or whoever will be responsible for writing this part here. So as you can see, this is just standard HTML. So if we go, and this page, this test.jsp is the step processor page that's configured. So if I go here and click on my work item, obviously there's nothing in that page that I just showed you, so the page is blank. So I've got a couple of bits of code on my clipboard here. So I'm going to take this first one just to sort of give you the effect. Copy. So the user for the workflow properties, all I need to do is put a div on the page with an ID of WF properties. Save that. Go back here and try it now. Now they get a table with all their workflow properties in. So you can see Pat123 or Pat34 is this name property here. So this is real code. It's not smoke and mirrors. Obviously that doesn't look particularly great, but we'll come to that. So then the next part, that's the properties. I've only done 2 of these, what I've been calling panels so far. So they're a bit like widgets. The difference being that you don't have to wire them or worry about wiring them because they're specific to workflow. So the technology doesn't have to do anything else. Go back here. So this is the responses panel. Try that. So now I've got my response panel with the save, dispatch and close. I'm going to try and do something nice with those buttons, make them look a bit more like these buttons here. And then the last bit, so the user has just very easily created and this step processor page. And then finally, to just make it look a bit neater, they could create their own CSS style sheet, which I've done. Go in here, pop it in, step processor panels.css. Let's close that window. If you notice there, but some of these buttons are actually functional as well. So, and I'll demo that now. So it's starting to look a bit more like a proper step processor now. So this is all functional. So I can type in here telephone number 54779. It's my mum's telephone number. Change this Pat to and I can click on save, and you can see that it's actually functional. It's working. Oops, there's something there. Obviously a bug. Shouldn't have clicked there. And that's it.